Morning guys, it's BiggieJDM here with another video. Today's going to be well exciting. So all the 350Z kit is finally here. Yay! So we're going to open it up, see what we've got, then take the bits to the body shop, then take the 350Z to the body shop. Oh yeah! Yeah? Watch this video, it's going to be awesome and inspiring. I believe... So we've got the gloss back. Ooh. Got the gloss back side skirt extensions. One. A rear diffuser. Nice. Nice rear diffuser. We have a rear diffuser in gloss black, I believe. Oh, nice. Shiny black, nice. We're going to keep it in the polystyrene for now, but that's the rear diffuser which goes under the back bumper. We have an M1 front lip with screws. Comes with screws. Wow, comes with screws. It comes with screws. Yes. What else do we have? You have the rear spats which go, I guess, on the rear back bumper on the side. They need to be painted gloss black, the same as the splitter. You can go down there. And finally, we have a Nismo version 3 spoiler. My spoiler, I love that spoiler. We have a Nismo version 3 spoiler, all the way from abroad, packed properly this time, I believe. It looks to be intact. So yeah, that's all the kit going on the 350. My credit card took a bit of a hit, but it's worth it. Anything for the scene. So yeah, that's it. We're going to take it all to the body shop now. And rest the spoiler down. So it won't all fit in the Suzuki in the boxes. So I had to take it all out of the boxes. So that's all the kit. Let's take it to the body shop. Woo. Hey guys, so we're in the petrol station. Well, I've got to take the Scooby today because the parts won't fit in the 350Z. The Scooby. I love this Subaru though. Whoa, check that out. Whoa. You know it. You know it. You know it. You know it. Right, taking stuff to the shop. We'll see in a bit. Woo. What up guys, so at the body shop, just dropping all of the parts into the body shop. I normally go. Local guy, he's alright, it's not the best, not good, but he's at the price that I like, so that's what I like. So yeah, in the Scuba, woof. Scooby again, Scooby again, Scooby again. Love this car, absolutely love it. Yes, so we're just here, offloading the parts. Let's go. Woo! So that's it for this video. We've dropped the parts off at the body shop. 350's going in on Monday, bank holiday Monday. Hopefully be back within the week so we can attend all the shows once it's done. Hopefully does a good job for me. I'll have to bring it back. Yeah, that's it for this video. Ta-ra! Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm just a regular guy who loves cars. And remember, if you can't be good, be careful. See you later.